5640 94th Ave. So a few things I really love about this home is, yes, it's got a full 3 beds and full 2 baths. We've also got this awesome bonus space out here. So whether it's an extra living room, a TV room, a game room for the kids, or a nice office space, because we all know we're working from home now, it's perfect for that. Not to mention that from a structural standpoint, all the systems, the roof's 2015, the AC's 2019, and the hot water heater is 2018, so it is ready for you to move in. So if you've been looking for a move-in ready home, especially one that's got an awesome bonus office outside, this place again is in the perfect central location. Whether we're talking a short ride to the beach, daily amenities like restaurants and your groceries, or downtown St. Pete, or going over the bridge to Tampa, it's in the perfect location for all that. And again, you don't have to worry about any of those big ticket items. They've already been done for you. So if you have any questions or you're ready to see it today, go ahead, book that showing and reach out to me.